Unraveling Unity, Understanding Divide into Factions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that pops up in discussions about groups, organizations, and even countries. Divide into factions. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about gaining insight into how groups can fragment and what this means in various contexts. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, academic success, or professional development, knowing how to use and understand this phrase can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started and explore the depths of divide into factions together. To truly grasp the meaning, we need to look at the phrase, divide into factions, piece by piece. The word, divide, suggests splitting something whole into parts, while factions refers to smaller, organized groups that form within a larger group, often with slightly different or even opposing interests. When we say a group divides into factions, we're describing a process where a unified group starts to split into smaller groups with their own specific agendas, goals, or beliefs. This division can stem from disagreements, differing priorities, or conflicts within the larger group. To put divide into factions into context, let's explore a few examples. 1. Political parties. It's not uncommon for a political party to divide into factions when members disagree on policies or leadership. These factions may push for different agendas within the party, leading to internal conflict. 2. Social movements. Even in social movements aimed at societal change, factions can emerge. Activists might divide into factions over strategies to achieve their goals, whether through peaceful protest, legal action, or more radical measures. 3. Workplace scenarios. In corporate settings, a team might divide into factions over how to tackle a project, reflecting differing visions or approaches to problem solving. These examples show how the concept of factions and division is relevant in various spheres of life, from politics to social movements and even our workplaces. Understanding the dynamics of dividing into factions is crucial because it impacts decision-making, group cohesion, and the effectiveness of collective action. Recognizing the signs of emerging factions can help leaders and members address underlying issues before they escalate. In educational, professional, and social contexts, being aware of these dynamics can improve communication, conflict resolution, and collaborative efforts. Divide into factions is more than just a phrase. It's a lens through which we can understand complex social dynamics and the challenges of maintaining unity in the face of diversity and disagreement. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also provided you with insights into the nuances of group behavior. Remember, learning English is not just about words, it's about the ideas and concepts they represent. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you continue your language learning journey.